Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we are going to be diving deep into
Yeah.
the world of AI crypto trading.
Sounds exciting.
We've got this fascinating document all about how AI is changing the
Yeah.
game when it comes to cryptocurrency.
It really is a fascinating new
And
development.
by the end of this episode, you will understand not just how AI is changing things, but
Mhm.
also why it really matters.
Mhm.
Whether you are a seasoned crypto trader or just someone who is curious about the future of finance,
Exactly.
this one's for you. So let's jump right into it. The document leads with this idea of emotionless trading. So basically, AI can trade without
Right.
getting swept up in all the emotion, the FOMO, the panic, things like that,
Yeah.
that often lead us humans to make bad trading decisions.
Absolutely. And I think, we've all been there, right? Where
Yeah.
see Bitcoin or some other coin just skyrocketing up and you just jump in without thinking.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's the opposite.
Where?
There's a sudden dip and you're just like, sell.
Panic selling. Yeah.
Yeah, panic selling. Exactly. But, these emotional reactions driven by fear and greed,
Yeah.
those are so often the root of so many investment mistakes.
Okay.
And remember that time back in 22
Uh-huh.
when the whole market just tanked?
Oh, yeah.
A lot of people panicked and sold at a huge loss,
Right.
even though, historically holding through those dips has often been the smarter move,
Yeah.
but an AI wouldn't have flinched. It doesn't get scared. It doesn't get greedy. It just sees data
Yeah.
and patterns and probabilities.
So it's like no more emotional roller coaster for our AI trader
Yeah.
friend.
Yeah.
But it's not just about staying calm. Right?
Yeah.
It's also about the processing power.
Right.
This document talks about AI being able to crunch
Yeah,
just insane amounts of data.
absolutely.
Way more than any human trader could ever handle.
It's mind-blowing, really. I mean, imagine you're trying to read
What?
every single financial news article, every blog post, every tweet,
Wow.
every forum comment, anything and everything related to crypto globally in real time. I mean, that's the kind of scale
Yeah.
we're talking about with AI.
Yeah.
And it doesn't just, consume that information. It analyzes it, looks for those tiny correlations and patterns that could signal a
Right.
buying or selling opportunity.
So I'm curious, what does that actually look like? How does the AI process all that information?
So it's all about machine learning.
Mhm.
And in simple terms, the AI is fed,
Yeah.
huge data sets, historical market data, so, prices, trading volumes, news events, even social media sentiment, all that data. And then it uses complex algorithms to identify patterns and
Yeah.
correlations in all this data. And the more data it's fed, the better it gets at predicting future price movement.
So it's like training
Yeah.
this superpowered financial brain
Yeah.
that's constantly learning and refining its strategies
Right.
based on just mountains of data.
Mountains and mountains of data. And then that leads us to another key advantage, speed.
Oh, right. In the fast-paced world of crypto,
Exactly.
being able to react, to these changes in the market,
Yeah.
like instantly,
Yeah.
can make all the difference.
Absolutely it can. AI can spot those signals
Mhm.
and execute trades far faster than any human.
It's like having a cheat on Wall Street.
Yeah.
But this document also talks about how AI isn't just about trading in the moment.
Right.
It can actually help us learn from the past
Yeah.
through something called backtesting.
Backtesting is awesome. It's like having a time machine.
What your trading strategies.
Exactly. You essentially take your AI with its algorithms and historical data,
Uh-huh.
and you test how it would have performed in the past,
Sure.
You look at past market conditions and you see, okay, how would my AI have done
Right.
if it was trading back then?
So you could.
And this allows you to refine your strategies,
Yeah.
identify weaknesses, and ultimately manage risk more effectively.
It's like having a simulator
Yes.
for your trading strategy.
It is, yeah. That's a great way to put it.
That's incredibly powerful. And this isn't just for the pros,
Yeah.
right?
No.
The document hints at a future where even beginners could have access
Right.
to these systems.
That's right, yeah.
To these sophisticated AI trading systems. That's fascinating.
Yeah.
Imagine a platform where anyone, it doesn't matter
Yeah.
how much experience they have,
Uh-huh.
could just tap into
Yeah.
the power of AI for their crypto investment.
And it's kind of like the next evolution of copy trading.
Oh, interesting.
Instead of
Yeah.
following another human trader, you're following this constantly learning data-driven algorithm.
So AI becomes like
Exactly.
a guru, the new expert,
Yeah.
making these complex strategies
Right.
available to everyone. But that raises the question,
Yeah.
what happens when everyone has access to these tools?
Right.
Does it level the playing field, or does it create a whole new set of challenges?
I think that's the million-dollar question.
Mm-hmm.
And there are no easy answers, but it's definitely a conversation
Oh.
that we need to be having. And
Yeah.
then, of course, there's the fact that these
Yeah.
AI systems, they're always on, always working,
Right.
no coffee breaks, no sleep,
They don't need to sleep.
no distractions.
Yeah.
I mean, which is perfect for a market like crypto that
Right.
literally never sleeps.
No more waking up in a cold sweat
Exactly.
because you missed some massive overnight
Yeah,
price swing.
exactly.
But it does make you wonder, right?
It does, yeah.
About the potential long-term consequences.
Uh-huh.
What happens when an AI is constantly analyzing, trading, reacting?
Yeah.
Could there be unforeseen,
Right.
ripple effects in the market?
It's like a...
It really is. It's
That
like
is
a
good.
sci-fi movie.
Yeah.
The machine that never sleeps. Always learning, always evolving.
It's a little scary, but also exciting.
It is, yeah. Okay, so let's bring it all together. AI crypto trading. Potentially faster, more data-driven,
Mm-hmm.
and definitely less emotional
Mm.
than anything we humans can do on our own.
Mm-hmm.
This has huge implications, I mean, for experienced investors,
Yeah.
but also for newcomers. But here's the question I'm left with. If AI trading does become mainstream, will it make the crypto market more stable and predictable?
Right.
Or
Mm.
should it lead to even more volatility as these systems kind of react to each other
Yeah.
in ways we can't anticipate?
That's the question. It really is.
Yeah, that's the question. That's going to play out in the coming years.
Absolutely. And it's going to be fascinating to see.
Yeah, where it all leads.
One thing's for sure, the
Yeah.
intersection of AI and finance, it's just getting started.
And that is it for this deep dive into the world of AI crypto trading. I hope you found it insightful and maybe even a little bit mind-bending, this
Yeah.
complex landscape. But
Okay.
understanding the potential of AI
Yeah.
is crucial for anyone interested in the future of finance.
So
Until next time.
happy trading. No, I'm agree.